Hello and welcome. If you're a woman with big dreams for your financial future and business growth, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll talk about an incredible strategy that is transforming the way women approach money, business, and wealth building: infinite banking. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how infinite banking can be used for personal and business growth, and why it's becoming a game changer for women entrepreneurs everywhere. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with more videos on how to take control of your financial journey. Let's get started. Before we explore how infinite banking can help women grow their businesses and invest smartly, let's quickly define what it is. Infinite banking is a concept that allows you to use a whole life insurance policy as a personal bank. Yes, you heard that right. A life insurance policy that acts as your own private bank. This strategy focuses on building wealth in a way that's not tied to traditional banking systems, allowing you to borrow money from yourself, accumulate tax-deferred cash value, and essentially become your own source of funding. Sounds intriguing, right? But how does this benefit women, especially those running businesses or planning to grow their investments? Let's break it down. As an entrepreneur, access to capital is essential for growth. Whether it's expanding your business, hiring employees, or investing in new opportunities, you need funds. However, traditional business loans from banks come with high interest rates, strict credit requirements, and limited flexibility. Here's where infinite banking comes into play. Once you've built up the cash value in your whole life insurance policy, you can borrow against it, tax-free. This gives you immediate access to capital that you can use for business investments without the constraints of traditional loans. The beauty is, you don't have to ask anyone for permission or jump through hoops for approval. As women entrepreneurs, we often face different challenges when it comes to accessing financial resources. Women, statistically, are less likely to receive business loans from traditional financial institutions, making it harder to expand and invest. With infinite banking, you're in control. You can use your own money to fund your business, invest in real estate, or even pay for education or personal growth opportunities. It gives you the financial flexibility to make decisions that will propel your business forward without waiting on anyone else. And here's the best part. Your policy will continue to grow in value even as you borrow from it. This means you're not just taking money out, you're also allowing your wealth to build over time, creating a cycle of growth that benefits you both in the short and long term. Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. Another critical advantage of infinite banking for women entrepreneurs is the ability to build a financial safety net. Running a business can be risky. You never know when the next challenge will arise, whether it's a market downturn, an unexpected business expense, or a personal emergency. With infinite banking, you have a guaranteed safety net. The cash value in your policy is not only accessible, but it also grows at a guaranteed rate, ensuring that you have a backup plan when life throws a curveball. This is especially important for women who may not always have the same access to traditional forms of wealth building as others. Now let's talk about investing. As a woman looking to build long-term wealth, having an investment strategy is key. With infinite banking, you can use the cash value in your policy as collateral to invest in opportunities like real estate, stocks, or business expansion. Instead of relying on banks for traditional financing or pulling money from your business funds, you can borrow from your policy and invest in assets that will grow your wealth. This allows you to leverage your own capital without compromising the growth of your business or other investments. And since the growth of your whole life policy is tax-deferred, you're also minimizing tax liabilities. Speaking of taxes, let's talk about one of the most attractive benefits of infinite banking: the tax-free growth. The cash value in your policy grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't have to pay taxes on the growth each year. This allows you to accumulate wealth faster than traditional savings or investment accounts where your gains are taxed. And when you take loans against your policy, the money you borrow is also tax-free. This gives you even more control over your financial future, as you're not burdened with high tax rates on the money you borrow or earn. Start with the Infinite Banking Strategy Review, link below. You might be wondering, how do I get started with Infinite Banking? Well, the first step is to find a qualified financial advisor who specializes in this strategy. They can help you choose the right policy and guide you through the process of setting it up. It's important to understand that infinite banking is a long-term strategy. It's not something you can just start and expect immediate results from. However, with patience and commitment, it can become one of the most powerful tools in your financial toolkit. The good news is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. By working with a professional who understands how infinite banking works, you can begin building your own personal bank, just like so many women entrepreneurs before you. One of the greatest aspects of infinite banking is its long-term nature. While many investment strategies rely on market volatility and require constant monitoring, infinite banking is stable and predictable. It grows at a steady pace, no matter what happens in the market. This is a crucial advantage for women who want to build financial security over time without the stress of constantly watching the market. You can use the cash value in your policy for a variety of things, from investing in your business, to paying for your children's education, to creating a retirement fund that will last for generations. Infinite banking provides the freedom to plan for the long term, knowing that you're in control of your money, your investments, and your future. So, what's the bottom line? Infinite banking is an incredible tool that can help women entrepreneurs take control of their financial futures. It's a strategy that allows you to leverage your own money, build wealth, and grow your business without relying on banks or traditional financing. And the best part is, the money you accumulate is yours to use as you see fit. Whether it's funding your next business expansion, making an investment, or simply building a safety net, infinite banking gives you the power to make it happen. But remember, this is a long-term strategy, and it's not for everyone. To see if infinite banking is the right fit for your goals, we've created a short infinite banking strategy review. It's completely free and will help you determine if this approach aligns with your financial goals. Start with the strategy review linked below.